So today we're here in San Jacinto, California at Massacre Canyon. Here I'm gonna test it. I'm not gonna use it. You don't need it really. The rope looks good. So they just funneled them all down here. Army behind them, nowhere to go. They just rained down arrows. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's go a little further. See what's around this bend. We'll call it. Damn, all those crows, man. To get back, it's definitely a cave. So we're here. I'm gonna try to go up here first. Then I'm not gonna go to the other one. Okay, I can go right there. Intense. That was intense. Alright, let's check out these ropes real quick. Alright, let's get down. That's the fun part.
Like a stone can.
Man, that cave is gonna just haunt me for the rest of my life. Look at, there is tagging up there. So there is a way to get up at least to that part. Whoa, 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 whoa there, cowboy. I'm gonna just toss that down there. Like the other one. This one's filled in though. I think the roof cave. So yeah, some kind of oven of some kind. Pretty cool. We got some good footage. I'm gonna do some research about the area and figure out what those structures are.